Oh, okay, be careful.
Okay.
What did you just tell me?
I got it from Mom.
Well, before that. What do you want to dress up as?
Cat.
A cat?
Yeah.
What made you think of that?
On TV.
Oh, you saw it on TV?
Yeah.
Oh, what kind of cat?
I just had a cat shirt, Mommy.
What? Do you have a cough?
Yeah.
A little cough?
No big cough.
Oh, a big cough. So tell me what you were saying earlier about the dogs.
I want 2 dogs.
You want 2 dogs?
Yeah.
What kind?
White.
White?
Yeah. And green, Mom?
A white dog and a green dog?
Yeah. And the one, and the big one.
A little one and a big one.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, once you can take care of the dog, we'll get you one.
I want 2.
Oh, you want 2. That's right. Okay. Anything else you want?
Yeah.
What?
Cat.
Oh, a cat?
Yeah.
That's a lot of pets, William. That would be 2 dogs and a cat. 3 pets.
What is a cat?
What?
What is a cat?
Oh, you just want to dress up as a cat?
Yeah.
Okay. For Halloween?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else to say?
Yeah.
What? How's your big boy bed?
Then Mom.
Okay. Let me see your eye. William fell out of his big boy bed. But you're getting better, right? Right?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to eat breakfast?
Yeah.
Okay. Say bye-bye.